The Philippines is an archipelago consisting of more than 7,000 islands and islets, stretching almost 1,000 miles from north to south. The land surface is 114,830 square statute miles and is crisscrossed with mountains and drained by small river systems. Volcanic in origin, the mountain ranges form the circuit and watersheds of the Pacific Basin of the Earth's surface. Mountain systems. There are three large ranges in the mountain system of Luzon, which form ramparts around the central plains. The Caraballo del Sur, which form the nucleus of the system, has its highest peak at the intersection of the boundaries of Abra, Ilocos Norte, and Cagayan. The Caraballos Occidentales divide into the Cordillera Norte and Cordillera Central, and traverse the region west of the Cagayan River. The Sierra Madre, also known as the Pacific Coast Range, begins at Baler, Quezon, and crosses Isabela, Nueva Vizcaya, and Cagayan. This is the longest continuous range in the Philippines. The mountain ranges of the eastern and southeastern provinces of Luzon extend from the Caraballo de Baler to San Bernardino Strait in the south, culminating in Mayon Volcano in Albay and Bulusan Volcano in Sorsogon. River systems. The Philippines has extensive but small river systems, which are mostly delineated by the mountain ranges. The fluvial system Luzon is represented by the Rio Grande, the Cagayan and its tributaries, which drain the Cagayan Valley, the Agno Grande, which drains Benguet and the valleys of the Nueva Ecija, Pangasinan, and Tarlac, the Abra River system, which received its tributaries from the Cordillera and drains Lepanto, Bontoc, and Abra, in the Rio Grande de Pampanga and its tributaries, which drain the fertile valleys of Nueva Ecija, Pampanga, and Bulacan. Mindanao has the largest river system in the Philippines. The Rio Grande de Mindanao drains the central basin of Mindanao and receives the waters of two lakes. Agusan, which is second to the Rio Grande, drains the basin of Surigao. Volcanoes and earthquakes. Volcanoes that the three geographic regions of the country and have been for centuries one of the natural causes of destruction of life and property. At least 10 of these volcanoes are considered active. The rest are dormant. The most famous of these are from north to south: Iraya in Batanes Island, Taal in Batangas, Banahaw in Quezon, Mayon in Albay, Hibok-Hibok in Cabiguin Island, Makaturing in Lanao, and Apo in Davao.
Coastlines. Aside from the rudeness of the landmass, the Philippines has an irregular coastline that extends to about 10,850 statute miles, twice as long as the continental United States. Such irregularity results in contours that make for numerous fine harbors and landlocked straits. Manila Bay, which is an area of a little more than 700 square miles and a circumference of 120 miles, is one of the finest natural harbors in the world. All big islands and a host of small islands have natural harbors that can accommodate large ships. In stormy weather, these harbors, located strategically from north to south, have been the refuge of ships in distress. Products and natural resources. The Philippines is rich in natural resources that are as yet largely undeveloped. Its fertile plains and rich valleys produce diverse crops, and a few of which are produced for export and the rest for the local consumption. Rice, the staple crop of the country, is produced largely in the central plains of Luzon, but the total production is not sufficient to meet the ever-increasing demand of an exploding population. The still primitive way of agriculture is one of the causes of the failure of the Philippines to produce enough rice for export. However, a breakthrough rise in production was made during the first 4 years of President Ferdinand Marcos' administration, when the so-called miracle rice was developed.
Hi guys, we're here at Tagaytay City's Summit. So we're here to see the products that Tagaytay City has been popular of. So like hats and sandals, like bakya. And
The city of Tagaytay, the second-class city in the province of Cavite, Philippines, only 55 kilometers away from Manila by the Aguinaldo Highway. It is one of the country's most popular tourist destinations. Tagaytay City provides a good view of Taal volcano. The city is a popular summer tourist